Good morning, everyone. Are we ready to go?
Good morning, Your Honor. State's ready to go.
Oh, our camera is not working, so give us a second. Sorry about that.
Does she? Did that one lady not come?
The vote?
Yes.
No.
She refused?
Did she actually refuse? Or- Okay. I mean, I smelled when it went over.
Okay.
I'll take that as a refusal.
Yeah, that's good.
Told her to clean herself up. I'm genuinely saying it. Make yourself decent. Let's put this here.
No contest is good, man.
Sweet.
Is Jeffrey Band, is he here?
He refused.
Perfect,
Yeah.
okay.
He refused, but he was OR'd in yesterday's plat, so.
Probably just using the sign paper.
Oh. Yeah, he. Yeah. We'll talk over.
Oh, I'm sideways.
Oh.
Strange ways.
We are not.
We good?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna make this work. First matter is Moreno.
Judge Moreno, Kimberly Moreno, refused? What's your name?
No, that's her.
Well, then stand up here and get up here.
She's deaf. She's deaf.
Oh,
Oh.
That's the interpreter is here.
yeah, okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
No, clear.
This is the sign interpreter matter.
Well, I'm sorry.
Yes.
What is the state feels appropriate?
Your Honor, we were able to get in touch with Miss Moreno's daughter. She indicates she wants a no contact order and she is concerned for her safety. She says she's afraid of the defendant when she's using methamphetamine. Miss Moreno scores a 10 on the risk assessment. She has misdemeanor convictions in 2026 for trespassing and battery. She was trespassed from the CARES campus and slapped a security officer. That was a 2024 case. She failed to appear for her arraignment. And never checked in with DAS. She has a separate misdemeanor conviction for trespassing in 2026 as well. She failed to appear for her arraignment in 2024 in that case. She has additional criminal history out of Arizona. She has a misdemeanor conviction in 2017 for disorderly conduct fighting. And in 2006, she has a felony arrest for aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. No complaint was filed in that case, though. So Miss Moreno is a risk to the community and she's a risk of future non-appearance. The state's requesting bail in the amount of $10,000. Pretrial services supervision if she's able to post bail. No contact with the row casinos. And no contact with Angela Moreno.
That's,
Judge, we're asking for a treatment program and a transfer to that program. The PC identifies that her daughter was disappointed about a recent relapse. If she's willing to go to treatment, then we'd ask that she be released to treatment. We are not opposing conditions of no contact with the row or with her daughter, Kimberly. Nothing further.
state shown by clear and convincing evidence that bail is necessary to ensure the safety of the community and the appearance of the defendant. Therefore, it will be set as requested, $10,000. No contact with Angela Moreno or the row casinos. No firearms. Random drug and alcohol testing. Pretrial services supervision. OR by IAP. The residential treatment, if supported by an evaluation. March 6th at 9:30 a.m. is the defendant's next court date. We'll see you then. Thank you. Jose Cuenca and then Mario Rivera.
Right now.
Cuenca and then Rivera. Cuenca.
And Madam Interpreter, that was the only case we needed you for. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll disconnect. Thank you.
2 PSCS charges, scores of 9. Was the state was appropriate?
Thank you, Your Honor. So for Mr. Cuenca, it looks like most recently he's got a misdemeanor conviction for possession of drug paraphernalia in 2025. I believe that was out of this court. It looks like he was pretty cooperative, though. He did report to DAS orientation and he admitted to use. So given that the state's not going to object to an own recognizance release with pretrial services supervision with testing for controlled substances.
Any objection?
None.
All right, defendant's released on his own recognizance, pretrial service supervision, random drug testing, no bail laws, make all court appearances, March 6th at 9:30 a.m. Defendant's next court date. We'll see you back then, sir. Next, we have 2 no jail complaints, Rivera and Smits. We can do them together if you want.
Sure. Fair in there?
You stand next to him, sir?
Sure.
Both of you have a copy of the criminal complaints?
Sure.
Rivera,
Yes,
is your name correctly spelled?
yes, sir.
You understand the document?
Yeah,
Smits, you got a copy of it? If so, is your name correctly spelled?
yes, sir, yes, sir,
Are you able to read it?
yes, sir.
All right, gentlemen, the state's just seeking a fine. So what is your plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest, Mr. Rivera?
Guilty Yes.
All right. Mr. Spitz, guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest,
I'm
Your Honor.
supposed to have like a
Okay,
lawyer.
I'll accept both your pleas. It's the same. You'll be convicted just the same whether you plead no contest or guilty. There's no difference with regards to your criminal history. I'll accept both your pleas, fine you $100 plus assessments, give you time served for the time you've already done, and close out both cases. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Deloach and then Fuentes.
Deloach refused, Your Honor.
All right, this is the first refusal. We'll see him tomorrow. Fuentes and then Maciel. All right. Was Steve Fields appropriate on this matter?
Your Honor, I'm checking to see if we've been able to make victim contact. It looks like we've attempted to make victim contact. We've not yet heard back from her, so I would request to continue this matter to tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow, Mr. Fuentes. Maciel and then Toledo. PCS scores of 15. Was the state is appropriate?
Your Honor, the state's recommending bail in the amount of $5,000 pretrial services supervision with testing if he's able to post and no contact with Amtrak property. As Your Honor just noted, he scores a 15. He has 2 pending 2026 cases out of Reno Municipal Court. Prior to that, he's got a gross misdemeanor conviction in 2025 for assault on a protected person. That was in August. He was sentenced to 280 days in the Washoe County Jail. Prior to that, 2023, he's got a felony conviction for battery by a prisoner. He was sentenced to 19 to 48. And then a felony conviction for PCS with intent to sell, sentenced to 19 to 48 concurrent to that battery by a prisoner case. According to his 2023 PSI, he had 5 prior felony convictions, so he's got 7 total felony convictions now, 13 prior misdemeanor convictions, 5 prior probation revocations. I can go through all of those if Your Honor wants, but suffice to say those felonies were from 2019 all the way back to 2003. He's got a couple of gross misdemeanor convictions in there as well. So based on his risk of continued criminal conduct, the state is requesting the $5,000 bail, pretrial services supervision with testing, and no contact with Amtrak property.
Judge, we're seeking an OR release to an inpatient treatment program if he's willing to go, of course, supported by evaluation. Otherwise, we request the amount of $1,000 in bail. It would still be a de facto hold on him here. We were able to reach out to his grandma, but he might be able to return there as well for a place to stay.
All right, thank you. Given the defendant's criminal history, it is filled with charges other than possession of controlled substance. It seems to, as they say, make his problem other people's problems. So with the limited capacity of IAP and the score of a 15 and that criminal history, I believe the state shown by clear and convincing evidence of bail is necessary to ensure the safety of the community and the appearance of the defendant will be set at $6,000. No contact with the big business, random drug testing, pretrial services supervision, no bail laws, make court appearances. March 6th at 9:30 a.m. is the next court date. And again, because of those reasons I stated, I'm not doing the release to residential treatment. Thank you. Maciel. Was that? No, we're on to Toledo. Sorry. Toledo.
Sorry, who, Judge?
Guys, I'm
Toledo.
gonna walk that way.
Toledo.
Yep, walk towards the pink wall when you're ready.
All right, was State Fields appropriate on Toledo?
So, Your Honor, I would note, first of all, that it looks like we have the named victim, Ms. Kiana Williams, present by Zoom. I'm not sure whether or not she intends to give a statement to the court. She did tell us that she does not want a no contact order. She says she's not afraid of the defendant. She says that alcohol might be a factor. So the issue here, one of the issues for Mr. Toledo is this incident was captured on the neighbor's Ring camera. He punched her in the face. She's 17 years old. Police were able to make contact with her. She's bleeding from the face and she's crying, but she was uncooperative and sounds like she continues to be uncooperative. He scores a 5 on the risk assessment. He was last released from the Washoe County Sheriff's Office on January 1st of this year. That was, it looks like he's got a misdemeanor conviction for resisting. That was out of Reno Municipal Court. I looked at the complaint in that case. It said that he attempted to barricade a door and resisted being placed into handcuffs. In 2024, he pled guilty to a commercial burglary. He received deferred adjudication in that case, and he did graduate from specialty court in May of 2025. But since then, he's picked up that resisting conviction with concerning facts, and now he's captured on camera punching his 17-year-old girlfriend in the face. So I understand that she doesn't want a no contact order. Nonetheless, the state is requesting a no contact order with Keanu Williams. I'm requesting $10,000 bail, pretrial services supervision with testing, no firearms, and again, no contact with Miss Williams.
All right, defense.
Judge, we're seeking an OR in this case. He's informed us that he's got a job as an assistant manager at Domino's, so he can be found. We were unable to confirm his phone number, but even just the job lowers him to a 4, makes him a lower score on the NPRA. And since that's the tool that we have, if he can check in, make sure he's testing and staying clean and away from alcohol, then I don't think Mr. Toledo is going to be a problem. So I'm going to ask for an OR in this case with conditions and stay away from the address. He also told us he could stay with his mom. We were able to reach out to her, but we couldn't get a hold of her.
All right, Miss Williams. Is there anything you'd like to say? Go ahead and unmute yourself if there is. All right, given the defendant's risk score and the victim's statements to the district attorney's office, I think I'm compelled to release the defendant on his own recognizance. There will, however, be a no contact order with the victim. Random drug and alcohol testing, no firearms, check-in with pretrial services order, obey laws, make a court appearance. March 6th at 9:30 a.m. Defendant's next court date. We'll see those things. Gibbs and then Handfinger.
You guys can stick down.
Domestic scores a 6 with the state's feeling appropriate.
Thank you, Your Honor. It looks like the named victim in this case is here. I believe she does wish to make a statement to the court. She indicated to my office that she does not want a no contact order and she's not afraid of the defendant. The defendant does score a 6 on the risk assessment. He has no prior documented criminal history. His risk assessment does indicate his first arrest was in 2015. It looks like that might have been an arrest on a failure to appear on a traffic warrant at a Reno Municipal Court. The state's not objecting to an own recognizance release for Mr. Gibbs, pretrial services supervision, and no firearms.
No objection.
Is it Krisha?
Yeah, sorry.
Hi, is there anything you'd like to say?
Yeah, so I just wanted to say like my initial statement to dispatch came out of like a lot of fear and anxiety and confusion on my part. I've had past like traumas, and so I believe like just the fear of all of like what was happening really like boggled me a lot. But I'm not like afraid of him. He didn't hurt me. He's never hurt me. We've always had a very, very great relationship, but yeah, I don't believe I'm in any harm in any way. And yeah, essentially a lot of what I said was coming from like fear and anxiety and confusion due to past traumas. That's what I'd like to say.
All right, defendant's released on his own recognizance, pretrial services supervision, obey all laws, make all court appearance, no firearms, March 6th, 9:30 a.m. For the filing of criminal complaint. We'll see you then.
All right, yes, go ahead.
Handfinger and then Nalavoa.
You get it.
Osea Nalavoa.
Take some time to process. Here we go.
All right, what's the state feel appropriate on this one?
Thank you, Your Honor. So I know that we were able to get in touch with one of the victims this morning. She's not attending. She did indicate to us that she wants a no contact order. So Mr. Handfinger scores a 3 on the risk assessment. He has no prior documented criminal history. The state's not objecting to an own recognizance release with pretrial services supervision, no contact whatsoever with Armando and Clara Palafox or their residence at 9565 Meadow Star Drive, and no firearms or weapons.
Any objection?
None.
So ordered. Next court date, March 6th at 9:30 a.m. See you then. Thank you.
All right, Andy.
Last matter should be Naavola. What's Steve feel appropriate on this matter?
Your Honor, let me just check real quick for victim contact. I know we were attempting. So, Your Honor, we've not been able to get in touch with the named victim yet. I would request to continue this to tomorrow.
All right, sir. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Anybody else up at the jail?